This video is about future value interest factor. So let's start. What does we mean by future value interest factor? Future value interest factor is an integral component in the calculation of the future value of cash flows under the discounted cash flow model of investment valuation. It is based on the concept of the time value of money, which stipulates that as long as interest rates remain above zero, the value of money always appreciates over time. The three crucial determinants needed for calculation of future value factor are time period, interest rate, and the compounding period. Future value tables provide future value factors for different time periods and interest rate combinations for easy reference. Future value factor plays an important role in investment valuation and capital budgeting process. Let's move to the spreadsheet to see on how to compute future FVIF using data table formula in Excel. Here, the interest rate is shown 1% in C3 cell and number of period 1 in C4 cell. To determine future value interest factor, we have to find out the future value of 1% interest rate in 1 year. So at first, we will put equal sign, then type FB, then double tap, then click on C3 cell for rate, comma, click on C4 cell for number of periods, comma, as no payment, type 0, comma, put minus sign and type 1 for present value, comma, type 0 to show end of the period, close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the future value of 1% interest rate in 1 year is $1.0100. Here in this row cell, we will put interest rates serially, and here in this column cell, we will put number of periods serially. So here we put 1%, then 2%, then we have to take it up to 15%, and here in the column section we put 1, then 2, then we'll have to take it up to 15 years. Now we have to select the full table to find out future value interest factor. So here in the menu bar, click on data, then what if analysis, and then click on data table. Here it is required two things, row input cell and column input cell. So we will put C4 cell, C3 cell for row input cell and put C4 cell for column input cell. Now press the OK. Here is the result. In this method, you can find out present value interest factor. Thanks for watching the video.